Today is Tuesday, September 16th. This is the 1976 Cadillac Eldorado, 1 year only, 129,813F Bendix Power Hydrobooster. This is the brake assist booster for the 1976 Eldorado. This is a 1 year only design. It's the monolithic design with the heavy duty casting and the spring loaded accumulator. The push rod and pedal rods have been replaced. The internal spooler valve has been replaced. All the seals have been replaced. The unit has been calibrated. And this will be going out to my friend Quincy as soon as I get his okay to ship, reply confirmation. This is a level 5 restoration for Quincy. And this is George in Florida. I have over 75,000 original vintage parts for the Eldorados from 1967 through 1978. Over 375,000 parts overall from 1959 through 1976, all the way through 78 for the Eldorados. I'm best known for my restoration of the Cadillac steering wheels, the tilt and telescopic steering columns, the power seat mechanisms, the instrument clusters, and other critical hard-to-source original vintage Cadillac items, including these 1 year only 1976 Cadillac Eldorado Hydro Boosters, as well as all the other boosters preceding from 75 and earlier, which are vacuum-based assist, as well as the smaller version with a minor casting for the 77 and 78 Eldorados, which are distinctly different from the 76. So 76 was the first year that General Motors introduced the Hydro Booster, which basically is receives the hydraulic fluid from the power steering pump and circulates into the Hydro Booster and then out of the Hydro Booster and down to the steering box. And that is the fluid circulation modality for these Hydro Boosters. This is the first year General Motors introduced power disc brakes on all four wheels, and that's facilitated by these Hydro Boosters. So even though the 75 and 76 Cadillac Eldorados look almost identical from the outside, as far as the braking system is concerned, it's two entirely different systems. So today is Tuesday, September 6th. This is George in Florida. Thank you very kindly.